Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, compare the speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Poco X3 Pro device. Yes friends, the Realme X7 Pro has got the Dimensity 1000 plus chipset, and whereas the Poco X3 Pro has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset. Let's see which phone will be able to perform really good in terms of the speed test comparison. That is what I'm going to test in this video. And in this video I selected 16 applications and 4 games. So sorry, not 4 games friends, 5 games, yes. So 15 applications and 5 games I have selected, and none of these games are added into the game turbo. So game turbo or game space, I did not add them because that will definitely delete the background games and applications. That is the reason I did not add. So let's see friends which phone will be able to open them first, and which phone will have the better RAM management, and which phone will actually perform really good in the random test, which I'll be trying to do in my videos. So which is really going to be really very interesting. So first let's start with the basic reboot test. Let's see which phone will be able to reboot faster. That is what I'm going to check at this moment. Let's see friends. So I'm going to do plenty of other speed test comparison as well using this Snapdragon 860 versus other Snapdragon processor, which is going to be really very interesting. So every day I'll be coming up with one of the speed test comparison, so which should be kind of really good to see which phone is actually performing really great. And by using the speed test, my main motive is to check which phone is good in terms of the storing more applications and more games in the background. That is what my main reason why I'm spending a lot of time in terms of doing this kind of speed test videos particularly. So right now both phones are kind of booting up. I think first phone to boot up is the Poco X3 Pro is the winner, as you can see friends. That's good. So Poco X3 Pro is a clear winner in terms of the reboot test. Now let's open the settings and let me just show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi network I'm connecting right now. So this is a 5 GHz network which I connected, as you can see, 5 GHz. And right now the Realme X7 Pro is kind of really loading. And right now it's done loading, and let me just show you exactly what is the Wi-Fi I'm trying to connect. Let me try to connect to the 5 GHz. So both phones are connected to the 5 GHz network at this moment, as you can see friends. Absolutely done, same. So let's clear everything in the background, so everything should be fine. And both phones are 8GB RAM variants. Yes, both are 8GB RAM variants. And the Realme X7 Pro has been upgraded to the Android 11 and Realme UI 2.0 as well, which I'm trying to use in this phone. So let's get started with the first application, which is a Google Chrome. Let's see friends which phone will be able to open the Google Chrome first. So first the Poco X3 Pro did open slightly faster. WhatsApp, not bad, same. Instagram, okay. And this is another game which I started. So I did include this kind of game random. I did not include them straight away, so that's another thing which you should definitely understand. So first it did load in the Poco X3 Pro. Slightly limited to increase the brightness a little bit more. Yes. So next open the Amazon application. Let's see Amazon which phone will be able to open faster. So both are kind of good, not bad. And the YouTube, yes, both are kind of same. And the speed test, first maybe in the Poco X3. Let me try to keep this result. I'll try to keep this results side. Yes, I'll try to keep these results in the background as a data. Next is the Candy Crush. Candy Crush, I think both phones are kind of same, not bad. And calculator and Facebook, both are kind of same in the even Facebook. So this is another game. Let's see the game. So Getaway 2. So both phones are 8GB RAM variants, and there is no dynamic expansion RAM in this Realme X7 Pro at this moment. And the X3 Pro did open the game faster, as you can see friends. Absolutely. I need to do the gaming test. In case if you want me to do the gaming test, I can definitely do the gaming test as soon as possible. So only depending on the comments only I'm trying to make this kind of videos. So first in the Poco X3 Pro and then in the Realme phone. And Myntra. First Poco X3 Pro. And next Paytm. First Poco X3. I think most of the time the Poco X3 Pro was the first phone to open the games or any kind of applications, I think. So maybe this time slightly different, I think. Realme X7 Pro did open, but both at same time. Not bad. And Flipkart, let's see Flipkart. I think both are kind of same. Flipkart, not bad. And Play Store. I'll try to keep this game in the background, this application and game. And let's see Amazon Prime videos. I think both are same. Subway Surf. I'm not sure why it took some time in the Realme X1 Pro. That's kind of weird. It showed some Subway Surf in the bottom. That's kind of weird to see, but still. Oh my god, so many pop-ups. Yep. Last is a Zoom application. Did I click the Zoom? I did not click at the Zoom, I think. Let me try to click at same time. Yes, I did clear in the background. So I'm trying to click at same time. Yes. same time. So now we did open 15 applications and 5 games completely in the background, as you can see friends, completely in the background. Everything starting from the first application, which is a Google Chrome. As you can see, absolutely everything is done and loaded. So now let's see which phone can keep how many applications and how many games in the background. First thing, in the speed test, the Poco X3 is a winner in terms of the speed test. And Prime, yes. Play Store, yes. So 5 to until 10 there should not be any kind of problem. The problem only occurs when we reach 15. That is the reason I'm trying to little bit kind of speed up the process, so you know exactly. I don't want to make this video really a lengthy one, so that is the reason I'm trying to slightly be a little bit kind of faster. But let's see the calculator. Yes, absolutely. From here, maybe, as I said, maybe, as you can see, the Realme X7 Pro didn't open the Candy Crush game. So the Realme X7 Pro stopped exactly in the calculator. So 10 plus 2, so 12. So total 12 applications and games. So I think 3 games. So and 9 applications got opened in the Realme X7 Pro. But the Poco X3 Pro is still continuing. Let's see how long this can continue. So yes, the same results page, it's there. And YouTube, both phones are loaded. Both phones are loaded, friends, as you can see, YouTube. So Poco X3 Pro did come up to this speed test application only. So slightly I think only 2 applications got added, that's it. 1 game and application. So rest of them was completely same, as you can see, absolutely same. Only 1 game and 1 application got added in the Poco X3 Pro. Apart from that, I did not see any kind of much difference at this moment. Same, as you can see, friends, absolutely. So in terms of the RAM management, slightly Poco X3 Pro was able to keep this kind of 2 applications, 1 application and 1 game in the background, but the Realme X7 Pro did stop only the calculator. I'll try to do the another test, only the games. So this kind of 10 games I'll try to do that. So in that way we'll be able to know how is the phone performance as well. So that will be really good, interesting test to see. But let's do the random test. So both are not performing that great in the random. No, not at all. In every step I'll try to come randomly. So that is the reason I'm trying to do this kind of random step. And now I just want to visit this page. Yep, same thing. None of the phones, I cannot find any kind of winner in this segment, because both phones are working in same way in terms of random test. The Realme X7 Pro a little bit did open, not bad. And let's try to open the speed test now. Okay, YouTube, okay, not bad. Amazon, still, yes. Paytm, both. Even in the random test, friends, both phones are able to perform as close to each other only. So nothing much difference I can actually observe at this point. Same thing. So these are the final results, friends, and finally the Poco X3 Pro is slightly faster in terms of the opening applications, and in terms of keeping only 1 game and 1 application in the background. That's it, not much. So it should not be that much kind of big deal, I would say, in terms of between these 2 phones. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And in case if you are interested in this kind of video, make sure to hit that subscribe and like the video as well. And see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.